Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at question 1679, max number of k-sum pairs. The way we will be approaching this question is by using hash maps to keep a track of the number that we've seen so far and the number of times it's actually occurred. So let's jump right in. The first thing we would do is initialize a hash map and initialize an integer that would keep a track of the result, and we would just return that in the end. To go over all of the numbers to get how many pairs we have, we initialize a for loop. The first thing you'd be doing is you will check if the map has k minus num. The reason why we are checking that is, hey, can I add the number that I'm looking at right now, nums, plus x, which is k minus nums. If that already exists in the map, that means we get a pair. So we are checking for that, k minus num. Since it's a get or default, you're checking, hey, if you have it, give us the value as is. If not, just put that as 0. And you're checking if it is greater than 0, you would increment the count by 1, and you would decrement this value by 1 as well. So let's just quickly do that. Map dot put nums minus k, k minus num, and then map dot get. We know that k already nums minus k already exists, so you just decrement by 1. If not, you would add the number that you're looking at currently. So map dot put, what are we doing here? We add num, and map, if it already exists in the map get or default, you want to keep a track of that. Get or default, that's the reason why we are using get or default, num and 0, and you increment that by 1. Alright, cool. That completes the for loop, and once this is done, you should be able to return count, which should have the right answer. The first test case passes. All of the others pass as well. That's awesome. So let's quickly go over the time and space complexity. The time complexity of the entire solution is O of n, because we're iterating through the nums array just once. The space complexity is also O of n, since we're using a hash map to keep a track of the numbers that we've seen so far with the number of times we have seen it. So let me know if you have any questions about the solution in the comments below. If there are any questions that you want me to solve on LeetCode, also let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace!